Hello and welcome back to the channel. So, did you know you can do some kind of really funky things in the Finder window across the top on the toolbar? These icons can all be changed and edited and moved around. So this video is split this video is split into two. The first part is how to add and remove these built-in icons, and all you need to do is to if you have a trackpad, you two-finger tap. If you have a mouse, you right-finger tap, click, and you just pop up the contextual menu, and you come down to where it says Customise Toolbar. And in the toolbar, you can add, change, remove anything you want. This is what's in here already. You can have it to show icon only. You can have it to show icon and text. Watch the icons at the top change when I click this. And that then goes and puts the text in as well. I think that's a bit messy. I like icons only. I can go and add and change and put all sorts of other things around in here if I wanted to. So for example, I could say I don't want that icon to be there anymore. I can move this down to here. A little cloud plops up and it's gone, it's not there anymore. Let's say I wanted to put, I'm going to actually put that particular icon back. So let's say I'm going to want to put this icon back. You either got to click and hold and drag, or if you've watched my video on three-finger dragging, which is above now or in the link below, I'm going to three-finger drag and I'm going to take this and I'm going to pop this, and I can put this icon anywhere I want along the top. And once I've done that, I just click OK, and there's my icons changed. But there's another icon here. Well, that's an application of mine. So you can add and remove applications to the top toolbar in Finder as well. So all you need to do, all you need to do is to hold the command key down on any application in your applications folder. Hold the command key down, and then you can, I'm going to just choose this one for example. Oops, no, I do apologize. I'm going to do this one. Hold the command key down, and then again I'm going to three-finger drag or click and drag if you haven't got three-finger drag set up. And I'm going to take that, hold on, and I'm going to take that, I'm going to drag that, and I'm going to pop that into my bar at the top. If you no longer want it to be there anymore, you just hold the command key down again and you drag and drop it anywhere away, and it will disappear like so. So that's how you add and remove built-in icons and application icons to the taskbar in Finder on pretty much any Mac. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and click the notification icon so you get to know when I post my next video, which will be tomorrow or the following. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.